Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Dr. Ijaz Ahmad Tatla, and I am talking with the scholars of PhD education in the course of quality management in education, higher education. This is semester 2, and today we are supposed to discuss the unit 14 of the course outline placed in weekly plan at 14th week. Very interesting and important topic we have to discuss today. I would like to ask you, listen carefully and watch this video and have paper and pen with you. Wherever you feel that there is something to be asked, write it, and in the Google Classmeet in class discussion you will be allowed to pose that question so as to have detailed discussion on it. Moreover, you may also go to the Google Classroom and comments box, and the same question can be written there for my answer. The topic of this session is international ranking criteria of universities. International ranking criteria of universities can be covered through different notions and the topics. QS World University Ranking is an annual publication of university ranking by Quarterly Simons. This is known as the QS ranking. This agency, in the end of the year, every year, establish or publish a ranking list. Previously, QS ranking was known as Times Higher Education. QS World University Rankings, the publisher had collaborated with Times Higher Education (THE) magazine to publish its international league tables from 2004 to 2009 before both started to announce their own versions. The Times Higher Education is a magazine that is also same and similar to the QS. Before 2004, both were publishing the same thing according to their own version. QS then chose to continue using the pre-existing methodology while Times Higher Education adopted a new methodology to create their ranking. The universities are evaluated according to the following 6 metrics. The metrics on which the universities are ranking worldwide are as under: number one, academic reputation of the university; employer reputation. In the case of public sector universities, government will be the employer; faculty student ratio; citations per faculty; international faculty ratio; international student ratio. All these things are considered while making an list towards university international ranking. Methodology of QS worldwide university ranking is as under. There are 6 indicators, as earlier in the previous slide we discussed. And in the second column, weightage of each indicator is given. And in the third column, it is elaborated what the weightage means, what that indicator means. As first indicator is academic peer review, its weightage is 40%, and it is based on an internal global academic survey. Whereas faculty student ratio have weightage 20%, and a measurement of teaching commitment is the faculty student ratio. Citations per faculty have weightage again 20%, and a measurement of research impact, वो जो इंडेक्स है और इम्पैक्ट फैक्टर में पब्लिकेशंस हैं उनकी बात है. Employer reputation means weightage is 10%, and it is based on a survey on graduate employer. International students ratio is 5%, and it is measurement of the diversity of the students community. And last one is the international staff ratio, that is 5%. It's a measurement of the diversity of academic staff. So if we sum up all this weightage, it comes 100%. As elaborated for each of the indicator regarding to their weightage, QS works for university international ranking. You know, on the basis of the ranking, agencies who are supposed to give scholarship approach those universities and advise the students to get admission in those universities. Sometimes they say, seek admission in the university that falls in first 500 universities of the international university ranking. And most of the time, their requirement, the requirement of Punjab Higher Education Commission, as well as Higher Education Commission Pakistan, to seek admission the students to whom they are supposed to support financially for the scholarship of higher education and the masters. They have to get admission in any of the university at international level that falls in first 300 in QS ranking. So it is very important and very crucial towards to get admission in the universities, the international universities across the globe that fall in first 200 or 300 according to QS international ranking or Times Higher Education. At the same time, it is advised that we can explore the universities in the first 10 or the first number. Most of the universities are there in America and Britannia. So Britain and American universities have this level of criteria. So this is all about the QS ranking of the universities. If you do have any question, you are welcome. You may ask in Google Class so as to have a comprehensive discussion on it and reply the people